My name is Rebecca Rabash. I'm from Mzumbe University, Tanzania.
My name is Elizer Gunanu. I'm from Rwanda.
My name is Leah Muhari. I'm from Ethiopia.
My name is Nathaniel Majoro. I'm from the University of Zimbabwe.
My name is Jessica Marshall. I'm from Advanced Tertiary College in ATC and I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
My name is Hussein Gulam Daoud. I'm from Makerere University, Uganda.
ICRC All Africa International Competition. It has been a really fun and enriching experience for me because first of all, the fact that we can come all the way here to actually learn before each round, that enriches us more with more knowledge on IHL.
When I joined the law school, to study corporate law. In my fourth year, a notice was posted to compete in the IHL moot court competition in our national rounds. And as we were being coached, as I read up more on it, IHL touched upon every single thing that I like, every single thing that I want to know in the world, and everything that I want to change.
My role for the competition is as a judge and also as a facilitator during the course to provide the students with lectures on various topics related to international humanitarian law.
The competition is really structured in the way that could allow a student to absorb a bulk of informations and principles of law and apply them at the same time in a very short limit.
One of our goals is to educate, to train the young generation, to encourage them to reflect on humanitarian law and on its critical role in trying to make the world one which will have fewer atrocities and more compliance with humanitarian and human rights norms.
The participants, all of them, they were really very excited. Many of them have communicated that this is their first time for them to just get this lot of knowledge in a very short time. And specifically for this year, there are students who are very new to this experience. Like I could remember for the South Sudan, this is for the first time for the South Sudan to participate in this moot court.
It's been one of those experiences that you've been learning. It's interesting and a lot of, I would say, a lot of nerves because, you know, there's so much pressure and also to do well and you really want to do well for yourself.
So it gives you perspective in a sense that it's not just about the law only, but you also see the practical aspects of it.
Role playing it's more free as long as you sink into the role and understand who you have to play and place yourself in that exact position. It's really nice. It's much better. It shows you how to apply the law rather than just, you know, say it out like it's a song.
I think the participants are fascinating. So this is my third year of being involved in the course, and it's one of the things that I enjoy the most is interacting with the students, getting to learn about students who come from very different regions. So even though we're all African, we all have very different outlooks on certain aspects, and all of our experiences are also so different.
I'm very grateful to the ICRC for this opportunity, teaching us all about the laws of war. You realize that IHL is actually much more than what you learn in class. We've learned how to apply the law to real life situations, and it's a very great opportunity of learning and networking.
I'm very, very, very grateful to the ICRC for affording us this particular opportunity. It's been amazing. We have learned so much, and more than just the content that you learn academically, you learn about the skills that help you to apply the law in real life situations.
The students were able to improve and develop some skills, and that was very obvious when we were asking them some tough questions from the beginning that are unexpected for them.
But the role of the ICRC is completely vital. I don't want to repeat cliches, to say Geneva, the ICRC is a guardian of Geneva Conventions, but it is. And because of its neutrality, objectivity, and professionalism, when the ICRC says something, people listen. And therefore, and the ICRC is more and more nowadays focused on compliance, not only development of the law, but also on the question, what can we do to improve compliance with the law?
It's made me feel really quite equipped. I feel I'm better off than my other colleagues who haven't done international humanitarian law. I get to interact with people who really have so much knowledge and they share with it. And I think it's a priceless thing that people at home couldn't be able to do. And I'm very much grateful.
I feel very privileged that I'm a part of this.
It's been a wonderful experience. I've learned a lot. I've enjoyed.
It, in a way, changed my perspective on everything.
Definitely, it's going to be a very eye-opening experience.
International
Humanitarian law.
Meet
And learn.